Here we have 2001 3.2 Boxster, finished in silver with black leather, black mohair roof and optional hardtop. Bit of an unusual car, this one, having the Porsche sports suspension pack and body kit. These are factory options and have not been retrofitted. Detailed service record. IMS bearing has been changed very recently. More of a case of preventative maintenance rather than there was actually a problem. The number plate is staying with the car. Aircon works very nicely and it's all lovely and cold. So it's a Boxster S 3.2 Tiptronic Auto. Leather is in excellent condition for its age. We've sold the car previously before. It's available to view through Allon White Sports Cars 01234 750 205. Please see the website for full details, as this is a little bit unusual compared to the regular Boxsters that are out there. Mileage is only 41,000.